You are about to lose somewhere between $800 and $1,200, and the worst part? You are doing it yourself, every single day, without even knowing it. Most drivers think brake problems come out of nowhere. One day the car stops fine. The next day the mechanic is handing you an invoice that looks like a mortgage payment. But that is not how it works. Brake damage is slow, quiet, and almost always caused by habits you picked up years ago that nobody ever told you were wrong. In fact, some of these habits were recommended to you by people who should have known better. Today, I am going to walk you through 13 brake habits that are silently destroying your rotors and chewing through your pads way before their time. According to data from the Car Care Council, Americans spend over $6 billion every year on unnecessary brake repairs. Number 13. Riding the brake pedal, the lazy foot habit that turns your rotors into metal pancakes. You have seen this driver on the highway. Maybe you are this driver. Left foot hovering just above the brake pedal or resting lightly on it while the car is still moving at full speed. It feels harmless. It feels like being prepared. It is not. When you apply even the lightest pressure to the brake pedal while the car is moving, you are creating friction between the brake pad and the rotor. Imagine dragging sandpaper across that disc for 30 minutes straight. That is what riding the brake does. The heat generated by that constant contact does not just wear the pad down faster, it also warps the rotor. Warped rotors are why your steering wheel shakes when you stop, and replacing them runs between $150 and $400. Number 12. Ignoring the brake warning light. The red flag you keep promising yourself you will deal with next week. Your dashboard is not dramatic. It does not throw warning lights for fun. When that little brake symbol lights up, something is already wrong. The most common cause is low brake fluid. Brake fluid is the hydraulic blood of your braking system. Sarah, a nurse from outside Denver, drove for 3 weeks with her brake light on because she was too busy to deal with it. She ended up with a seized caliper. Instead of a simple $120 pad replacement, she paid $910 for a caliper plus rotors plus pads and labor. 3 weeks of ignoring a light cost her over $700 extra. Number 11. Overloading your vehicle and then braking hard. Treating your brakes like they are built for a truck when you are driving a sedan. Physics does not care about your moving day plans. Every extra pound you put in a vehicle increases the stopping force required to bring it to a halt. Your brake pads are sized and rated for a specific vehicle weight range. When you load that sedan with furniture or bags of concrete and brake hard, you are asking pads designed for 3,000 pounds to stop 4,500. That creates excess heat and puts enormous stress on the rotors. The fix: know your vehicle's payload rating on the sticker inside the driver's door. If you must haul heavy loads, plan for longer stopping distances and absolutely avoid hard braking. Number 10. Ignoring brake noise for months on end, treating the squeal like a quirk instead of a distress signal. Modern brake pads are engineered with a tiny metal tab called a wear indicator. When your pads get thin, that tab makes contact with the rotor and creates a high-pitched squeal. That squeal is not a malfunction. It is the brake pad sending you a message: replace me now or pay later. Most people wait. In that time, the pads wear completely through and the metal backing plate starts grinding directly against the rotor. That grinding sound is the sound of rotor destruction. Jennifer from Atlanta waited 4 months after the squeal started. Her final bill was $1,140. The fix: the moment you hear that high-pitched squeal, schedule an inspection within 1 week. Number 9. Aggressive freeway merging and then panic braking. The highway shuffle that kills brakes in fast forward. You merge onto the highway at full speed, realize the traffic has slowed, and stomp the brakes. This generates tremendous heat. When you blast hot rotors with cold air and then immediately generate a new spike of heat, you create thermal shock. It is like taking a hot glass dish and running it under cold water. Tom, a regional sales rep who drove 40,000 miles a year, wondered why his rotors never made it past 30,000. He was doing multiple freeway merge panic stops every day. $2,200 in 3 years. The fix is simple. Look further ahead, create space, and use gradual braking instead of last-second stomping. Your rotors and wallet will thank you. Number 8. Never checking brake fluid quality. Assuming clear fluid is healthy fluid. Brake fluid is hygroscopic. That means it absorbs moisture from the air over time. When your fluid boils, it creates vapor bubbles in the lines. Vapor does not compress like liquid does, so when you press the brake, you might feel a soft, spongy pedal. That is brake fade. Old, contaminated fluid also corrodes the internals of your calipers. That internal corrosion leads to sticking calipers, constant pad drag, and warped rotors. The entire chain starts with dirty fluid. A brake fluid flush costs between $60 and $110. Neglecting it can contribute to caliper failure, which runs $300 to $700 per corner. Number 7. Using the wrong brake pads for your driving style. The bargain bin mistake that costs more in the end. Walk into any auto parts store, and you will see brake pads ranging from $12 a set to over $80. Cheap pads are made from materials that generate significantly more heat and deposit uneven layers of friction material on your rotors. That is called pad glazing, a primary cause of rotor warping and vibration. Carlos bought the cheapest pads for his pickup truck 3 times in 18 months, spending $620. He switched to ceramic pads rated for truck use. They lasted 31 months and cost only $160. The fix: match your pad compound to your driving style. Ask for ceramic or semi-metallic options appropriate for your vehicle. The extra $30 up front saves hundreds on rotors later. Number 6. Not breaking in new brake pads properly. The bedding mistake that shortens pad life from day one. Brand new brake pads need a break-in period called bedding. This process transfers a thin, even layer of friction material from the pad onto the rotor surface. When done correctly, bedding creates optimal contact and performance. When skipped, the pad material deposits unevenly, creating hot spots on the rotor surface. Hot spots cause vibration, reduce stopping power, and accelerate rotor wear. The procedure is simple. Accelerate to 30, brake to 10, repeat. Then accelerate to 50, brake to 15, repeat. Allow to cool. Skipping this risks rotor damage within 10,000 miles. Now you know. Number 5. Driving with a stuck or dragging caliper. The hidden money drain that masquerades as normal wear. A caliper that does not fully release is called a dragging caliper. The symptoms are subtle at first. The car might pull to one side. You might smell something hot after a drive. Your fuel economy might drop. Inside, your pad is wearing 5 times faster. Michael from Phoenix noticed his front rotor glowing faintly orange after a highway drive. He ignored it for 2 weeks. Final bill: $880 for just one corner. The fix: if you smell burning after a drive, if one wheel feels hotter than the others, or if the car pulls while braking, get a caliper inspection immediately. Caught early, it saves you hundreds. Number 4. Skipping brake inspections at oil changes. Trusting the sticker when your life depends on the pads. Most shops offer a free brake inspection when you come in for an oil change. Brake pad wear is not linear. A pad that goes from 12 millimeters to 8 might take 30,000 miles. But going from 4 to 0 might take only 8,000 because thinner pads wear faster. It takes a technician 4 minutes to pop a wheel and check pad thickness. 4 minutes. If they find the pads at 4 millimeters, you have time to shop around and decide calmly. If you find out your pads are gone because your steering wheel started shaking, you are now making decisions under pressure, which always costs more money. Ask for an inspection every oil change. Number 3. Using engine braking and automatics incorrectly. The transmission mistake that sends vibration straight into your braking system. In an automatic vehicle, manually downshifting to slow the car sends a mechanical shock through the drivetrain that travels directly into the caliper and rotor assembly. Over time, it loosens hardware and damages wheel bearings. A worn wheel bearing causes wobble and runout, creating the same pulsating pedal as a warped rotor. Replacing a wheel bearing plus rotors and pads is a $1,000 conversation. If you drive an automatic, use your brakes to slow down. That is what they are there for. Number 2. Using cheap or contaminated brake fluid. The fluid nobody thinks about until it kills the whole system. Brake fluid contaminated with petroleum products does not just degrade the system, it dissolves it. Brake seals throughout the system are made from a rubber compound specifically incompatible with petroleum. When petroleum-based fluid gets in, those seals swell, crack, and fail. This process can begin within a few days. The master cylinder costs up to $400 to replace. The ABS module costs between $800 and $2,000. If contamination spreads, the entire hydraulic system may need replacement, costing up to $4,500. Always use DOT-rated brake fluid specified in your owner's manual. Never assume someone else did it right. If you notice a soft, spongy pedal suddenly after service, do not drive the car. Have it inspected. Number 1. Ignoring brake system service after extended storage. This is the most invisible habit, combining everything we have talked about into a single catastrophic reaction. If your vehicle sits for 3 months, surface rust can bond the pad material to the rotor. When you drive, that bonded material tears away, leaving deep pitting and gouges in the rotor surface. We covered 13 habits today, from riding the pedal to contaminated fluid. Every one of these is fixable before it becomes expensive. Knowledge is the difference between $200 and $1,200. If this video saved you a trip to the mechanic, hit subscribe. Tell me your story in the comments. Share this with a friend today to save them $1,000. Subscribe, comment, share. See you in the next one.